In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the lookup field in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull information from one table into another, so your data stays consistent and up to date without manual copy-paste. First, open the Airtable base that already contains the tables you want to connect. If you're following along, make sure you can see at least two relevant tables in the same base, such as a table for projects and another for clients. The lookup field relies on a relationship between tables, so having both ready is essential. Before you can use a lookup, you need a link between those tables. In your primary table, click the plus button at the top of the fields to add a new field. Choose Link to another record, then pick the related table you want to connect to. This creates the relationship and lets each record point to a matching record in the other table. If Airtable asks whether to allow linking to multiple records, choose what best reflects your data model. You can always change this later. Now add another field by clicking the plus button again. This time, select Lookup from the list of field types. Airtable will ask two things: which linked record field to use, and which field from the linked table you want to display. First, choose the linked record field you just created. Then, pick the specific field in the other table you want to pull in, like a status, a company name, or another non-sensitive detail that helps you work faster. Click Create Field, and Airtable will instantly populate your new lookup field with values from the connected table. If you don't see anything, double-check that your records are actually linked. Lookups can only display data when there's a linked record in place. Also note that lookup fields are read only in the destination table. To change a value, edit it in the source table, and the lookup will update automatically. Take a moment to review your results. Scan a few records to confirm the values look right and that they match the correct linked records. If something looks off, open the field configuration to confirm you selected the right linked field and the right source field to display. Consider renaming the lookup field so it's crystal clear, especially if you'll be using it in filters, sorts, or formulas later. That's it. With a linked record set and a lookup field in place, your tables now share accurate, synchronized information. No duplicates, fewer errors, and a smoother workflow. Thanks for watching.